Welcome back, and we're starting off with the tropics. We have Invest 91L. This is just east of the Leeward and Lesser Antilles Islands, and with Invest 91L, it does have a high chance of forming into at least a tropical depression as we head into the weekend. So right now it has sustained winds at 25 miles per hour as it continues its track towards the west. So this will likely impact parts of the Lesser Antilles Islands and the Leeward Islands with at least some heavy rainfall and gusty winds. But if we do see the formation of a tropical depression or a tropical storm, our next names on the list is Gabrielle, Berto, difficult name there for me to pronounce, and then after that Imelda, if we have any more name systems coming up for this Atlantic season. And also, since we're in September, we're itching closer to the peak of the season on September 10th, and then it'll come to an end on November, so cannot wait for that. But closer to home, we got dry air in place in the upper levels, low pressure system in the Gulf, and that will likely continue to bring in heavy rainfall for portions of southern Florida. And with that drier air in the upper levels, that will help to keep those rain chances at bay for today and tomorrow. But we'll see a slight uptick in the moisture coming up for the weekend as a frontal boundary that'll eventually push into the area on Sunday, so that'll bring us some more drier air in the way for late Sunday going into Monday. But of course, we'll see that rise again on Tuesday. Now, when it comes to the rain chances, they are very low. Even with a frontal boundary coming in, with that drier air in place, those rain chances are not too high, only between 10 to 20% throughout the weekend coming up. So a few areas can have a few hit or miss showers, but we're not expecting that to be widespread across Acadiana. Very hit or miss in nature. But as far as conditions for the rest of tonight, great weather for football. We'll only deal with southerly winds and also clear skies. We'll start to see a few upper level clouds passing through tomorrow morning, along with a few areas of patchy fall. But after that, very dry conditions for Friday coming up. We'll actually continue our streak of sunny to mostly sunny skies for tomorrow as well. We'll also have those temperatures mainly in the upper 80s to low 90s. And when it comes to the rainfall for tomorrow, central Louisiana may have a few light showers there, but for us in Acadiana, staying pretty dry for Friday and the early part of Saturday. So to recap those conditions for tonight, a few passing clouds out there, very quiet, temperatures in the 70s. And then for tomorrow, a few areas of patchy fall to start off the morning, but after that, very dry, hot temperatures coming up in the low 90s. May have some few areas closer to the upper 80s, but overall we'll see heat indices in the upper 90s to low 100s. So when it comes to that 3-day forecast, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, temperatures mainly in the 90s. Sunday, we'll see those temperatures slightly cooler in the upper 80s as that frontal boundary passes through, but those rain chances still very low for the next 3 days coming up. So to break down that 10-day forecast, rain chances between 10 to 20% through Sunday. After that, a dry pattern for the beginning of next week with sunny skies on Monday, mostly sunny Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures, though, back in the 90s we go, but check out those overnight temperatures only for about 2 days in the 60s, and the lowest temperature of this 10-day forecast, 64, arriving Monday night. But stay tuned, we'll have a final look at the 10-day forecast later in the show.